How you doing, everyone? This is my Corolla 2021 SE. There's a lot of videos out there how to remove the door panels, to change the speakers, but I haven't seen anyone showing the actual plug, which is different one than the tweeter one. The tweeter and this one is different one. So I found the original one from Metra. I got it off Crutchfield website. If you Google it, you're gonna find it. So I show you the actually factory ones. I haven't changed this one yet. Just to let you know, this is a different one because I made the mistake. I bought all 6 like the tweeter ones, so I had to return the other 4 and bought the original ones. Well, the actual replacement, which is Metra 728109.